naman sa madumi ako mag-isip pa. Pero sana naman, Mikay. Sana naman lumugar ka, di ba? Nagpapabuhat ka kay Landon, tapos ididikit mo yung puki mo sa likod niya. Ang asim ng atake, sis. I cannot.
Tyra niya, Uncle Landon will see if you're heavy also. Remove your glasses.
Ano naman ako ni Uncle Landon? At Uncle Landon yung tututol.
How's your gloves?
Oh my God!
Oh my god! Oh, you're right!
Ay, syempre bata si Tyrone niya. Understood yan. Laro-laro lang yan sa kanya. Tsaka wala yung mali siya.
It's a good workout.
Baby mama!
Wow!
Jump on, jump on.
Oh my God!
She's not allowed, she's pregnant.
Yeah, you're pregnant.
But why did you do that face?
I'm trying to just get on, but I can't run with you.
Okay, thank you.
I just really enjoy having a good time with the family. I like playing with everyone. I like everyone to laugh. I just like when we're all happy.
Okay, baby. Sige na.
Ayan naman siya. Ayan naman siya. Diyan napapagod si Landon eh.
Again. Okay, here.
Baby, I'm done.
No, you're not gonna do it.
Baby, okay. There you go.
Oh, di ba? Pati tuloy si Ate Marie, papabuhat na din. Ayoko na lang mag-talk. Pero ewan ko ba, nagpunta ata dito sa Pinas para maging kargador.